Loading. Loading complete.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Topics and Reviews. I'm your host, an evolving knowledge seeker and a learning enthusiast, back with another exciting video. What if the greatest danger in space is something you can't see, can't feel, and can't escape? Beyond Earth's protective shield, astronauts are constantly bombarded by high-energy particles traveling near the speed of light. This is space radiation, and it's one of the biggest obstacles to reaching Mars. Space radiation is not like the radiation we experience on Earth. It consists of ionizing radiation, particles energetic enough to strip electrons from atoms, damaging cells and DNA. There are three main types: galactic cosmic rays, GCRs, solar particle events, SPEs, trapped radiation belts. Unlike Earth-based radiation, these particles are far more energetic and harder to shield against. Galactic cosmic rays. These originate from outside our solar system, likely from supernova explosions. They include heavy ions like iron nuclei, moving at nearly the speed of light. These are the most dangerous because they penetrate deeply into spacecraft and human tissue, generated by the sun during solar flares and coronal mass ejections. They release bursts of protons and electrons that can reach astronauts within minutes. A major solar storm could deliver a lethal dose of radiation without proper shielding. Earth is surrounded by radiation belts called the Van Allen radiation belts. They trap charged particles using Earth's magnetic field. Astronauts in low Earth orbit, like on the International Space Station, are partially protected by this field. Radiation doesn't just hit the body, it alters it at the atomic level. When ionizing radiation passes through cells, it can break DNA strands. This can lead to increased cancer risk, damage to the central nervous system, cardiovascular disease, acute radiation sickness in extreme cases. NASA studies show that long-duration missions could significantly increase lifetime cancer risk. Even more concerning, high-energy heavy ions can cause irreparable biological damage because they create dense ionization tracks. So why are we safe on Earth? Two reasons. Magnetic field. Earth's magnetosphere deflects charged particles away. Atmosphere. Our thick atmosphere absorbs most incoming radiation. Without these, life as we know it wouldn't exist. Mars, for example, lacks a global magnetic field, making its surface far more exposed. For missions to Mars, radiation becomes a critical problem. A round-trip mission could expose astronauts to radiation levels near or beyond NASA's lifetime limits. Shielding is difficult because high-energy particles penetrate metal. Heavy shielding increases spacecraft mass. Secondary radiation can be produced when particles hit shielding materials. Scientists are exploring solutions like hydrogen-rich materials, water shielding, magnetic or plasma shields, but no perfect solution exists yet. Future missions may rely on advanced materials that absorb radiation, real-time solar storm prediction systems, underground habitats on Mars, biological countermeasures to repair DNA. Understanding radiation is essential for the future of human space exploration. Space is not empty. It's filled with invisible energy that constantly challenges human survival. To explore the universe, we must first learn how to survive it, because in space, what you can't see can hurt you the most. If this journey into space radiation expanded your perspective, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Topics and Reviews, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Together, let's keep the flame of curiosity burning bright. Until next time, stay curious, everyone.